It's the roommate, the other roommate, the non-Katie roommate. Say hi, Lorna.
Hi.
It's what day is it? Saturday. And we are going on a birthday Duffy ride on the west side. I think there's, maybe mimosas involved, maybe champagne involved. It'll be really fun. Lorna's the DD. Safety first. But yeah, that's what the day entails. So I'll try to get some stuff of that without being weird, because I know I'm already weird, and number two, I only know 3 people at this party, and I really can't be like, oh yeah, I have to vlog because I have a YouTube channel, but they're gonna look it up, and then you know. So yeah, stay tuned. Oh, we're also literally probably gonna get there a minute before we have to board
If we're lucky.
if we're lucky, so fingers crossed.
And he's like, oh, are you running right now? I'm like, yeah, I'm actually on the marathon.
Hello everyone. So currently I'm in Vegas for March Madness, and right now I'm just walking around through all the shops. It's nothing really exciting. The shop's been very disappointing. Really nothing great. So that's not ideal. I'm currently in the Grand Canal shops in the Palazzo and Venetian, and if you've ever been to Disneyland on the Pirates ride, there's a part that kind of looks like this with the cloud skies and everything. Okay, so now we're going into the sports book to watch some of the March Madness games, so I can't film the actual sports book because it's all betting and you can't do that, but it's just a big arena with TVs and chairs, and you watch the basketball games essentially, and you can bet if you want, but I just go and watch my brother and dad bet, but it's not me. So we're officially done with the sports book for today. We're gonna go get ready for dinner, but obviously I have iced tea because if anyone knows me, I always have to be drinking it. My dad being not low-key about being in the video. Be cool. Okay, so I thought I'd show really quick what I wore today. I was wearing this cute little leopard dress from Zara. It's just really easy and flowy, and then some white tennis shoes, super easy, gold accessories, no necklaces or anything, earrings, winged eyeliner, being fancy. So now I'm changing for dinner, and I'll show you my outfit for dinner. Okay, so this is my outfit for dinner. I'm wearing a black little Zara. These are my favorite. I have a few different colors and stuff, just really easy, silky camis. They kind of go with anything. And then this cute Zara black belt, leather pants-ish. They're what do they call coated denim. So these are 7, and then really old bow pointy-toed heels from Enzo Angelini or something like that. And just a leather jacket, which I didn't think through the whole leather pants and leather jacket thing until I put the outfit on, but I'm gonna go with it. It's gonna be cool. And then I'm gonna add a little gold necklace and a darker lip.
Good morning, guys. Happy Sunday. That's the day it is today when I'm filming this. Gonna make myself some coffee, some breakfast, and just get the day going. We're already off to a really productive start. I'm doing my sheets. So yeah, we're just gonna kind of have a slow Sunday. Oh, look at her. This little egg white beauty. So for my coffee, my new thing is to put in a little bit of organic blue agave for sweetness and some oat milk. So that is what my coffee is about to look like. What's next? Okay. So then this is my super quick thing. I don't put eyeshadow primer on or anything. I don't need it. Whatever palette you have. I'm taking the Ombre Rouge one from Becca. Such a go-to for me. I'm taking a warm shade like this, a warm brown shade. Any palette you have, I'm sure you have something like this. And I'm just taking a crease brush, and I'm literally just placing it just so you can see in the crease right here. So you can just see that it makes my eyes pop a little more. It gives your eyes just like a little bit more life. And it took 2 seconds. So, love that. Okay, and then mascara. That's all we're gonna do. Voila, we are done. Okay, mascara is on. All right, so then last few little things here. Oh, I mean.
Okay, good morning. It's day 2 of Vegas. We're gonna go to the sports book again and then fly home. I was here for like 24 hours just for fun. So I'm gonna show you guys how I curl my hair with my flat iron. It's day 2 hair, so I'm gonna start with my Living Proof Perfect Hair Day and just spray that in. I mainly focus it on like the top roots because that's where I get any grease. And you just want to really work it in so you don't have any white, but I don't really have issues with that one so much with like white. Okay, then I'm gonna brush it through. Okay, so then I'm gonna section it off. I'm gonna do half of my hair up. I just twist it and use like one of these little claw clippies. And then I take the remaining bottom half. And because my hair is short, I really have to clip it out of the way because it just like falls into the other pieces and I can't tell what's curled or not. So I'm gonna brush this through and I'll show you on a front piece. But I alternate either twisting my flat iron forwards or twisting it backwards, just depending on if I want the curl going towards my face or away from my face. So this one can go towards my face, it doesn't matter. And I start at the top and I twist it 180 degrees and then I just pull it down. And then you're left with like a bouncy curl. And I leave the ends out and I'll straighten them later just to get that like low-key beachy thing. Okay, bottom half's done. Now I split the top half in half, clip up one side, and then I do this side. And again, I'm gonna start in the back. And I usually start towards my face, and then I just throw it in the back. Okay, so now my hair is cooled for a minute. I'm gonna take my dry shampoo again, and I go back in a little bit, just at my roots. And that just adds even more volume. And then I take my flat iron, and I have a cowlick, and so I have to straighten like this front piece right here. And then if there's any curls that you feel like you need to redirection or recurl to get like a little bit more, and then I straighten the ends. Okay, so now my hair is all curled and everything. I'm gonna take the Matrix Rough Me Up. It's a sea salt spray and it's a really good one. And I put it on my hands, like 6 sprays. And then I go through and like, I'm like going like that. And it makes like all the curls get piecier so they aren't just all stuck together. And this also adds hold because it kind of makes your hair dirtier. Like, it's like salt spray and it smells good. Okay, and that's it. That is how I curl my hair with my flat iron. I hope you guys enjoyed. Okay, and then my outfit today, I'm wearing this little like cropped green military, wow, bad filming, classic, military whatever jacket. It's from Free People. This white Aritzia t-shirt, messy tucked into some Zara high-waisted like gray black jeans, and then my white tennis shoes again. Cute. Wow. Stylish. Spotted a wild Katie
Jet setter Katie, back from Vegas, fresh from a Trader Joe's run. This is our
turn of events. I have a ton of crap to carry per usual.
This is our Sunday, honestly, in a nutshell. She's deciding her interior design mind is at work. Can hear her.
What do you got?
I like that.
Do you like that?
I agree. Yeah, I like that.
Let's do it.
Okay, what do I need to do?
Stand there and look pretty.
Really?
Yeah. Got it.
Does anyone else's Monday look like this?
It's stuck. Okay.
So she's measuring my little prints I have over here. How tall is that?
77.25.
Sure. Well, you look really tan.
Oh my gosh, thanks. Haven't tanned since, last week.
Since Vegas. I'm so annoying. She said to sit still and look pretty, so.
3/4.
She's doing math.
I need a pencil.
Come on.
Do you have a pencil?
I definitely don't.
I think someone's prepared.
What would I be using a pencil for?
Same, that's why I don't have one.
Are we doing this Saturday or the Sunday top butter?
What's that called, Katie?
It's a level, but I'm using it as a ruler.
Oh.
Rule 6, okay.
So Katie's putting in these little rose gold pins because I didn't really want to frame on this little guy. I thought it was kind of sweet, just like
Get paid to do this.
I believe you. It's like, what does Katie really do when she leaves in the morning? She just like drive around, like drink smoothies, or like what?
Honestly, kind of.
Occasionally shops for tile.
Does spreadsheets. Can I have the tape measure and the pencil?
Tape measure.
Thank you.
Pencil.
And can I have a hand?
Oh yeah. Okay, don't you feel like that was a good choice to not put that in a frame? Because I think it looks so precious. Right?
Yeah, I totally agree.
I mean,
Yeah.
it's not just the cutest thing you've ever seen. Is it not just the cutest thing you've ever seen? Is this not the cutest thing you've ever seen? It is. Thank you for helping me.
You're so welcome.
You're so good at what you do.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
It's funny because I don't even hang pictures at my job.
Would you like to outro this?
Sure. Thank you for joining us on another Kinsey and Lil vlog. We so very much enjoyed you being here.
We really did.
And we just look forward to all the fun videos that we're planning on putting out in the future that hopefully you will come back and watch. Like maybe next Thursday. We're uploading on Thursdays now, by the way.
Yeah, we forgot to mention that. We'll be changing everything, so
Yeah.
stay tuned.
Uploading on Thursdays now. So tune back in next Thursday for another great quality video, as we always come out with.
I was like waiting for like a wink at the end or something. Oh,
I'm not great at winking, so.
Oh, that's pretty good. Okay. Love you all.